Copy.ai tool review. Usage experience. Welcome to my review of Copy.ai, a powerful AI writing tool designed to help you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Links to the tool are in the description if you'd like to explore it yourself. Copy.ai offers a suite of features aimed at marketers, content creators, and entrepreneurs. It's designed to simplify the writing process for blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, emails, and more. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible even for those new to AI tools. You start by selecting a project type, such as blog ideas, product descriptions, or Instagram captions, and provide a brief input describing your needs. The AI generates several polished options within seconds. One standout feature is the blog post wizard, which takes you from a basic idea to a structured article outline and even fleshed out paragraphs. It's perfect for content creators who need to save time without sacrificing quality. The social media templates are another highlight, offering tailored captions and copy for different platforms, helping you maintain consistent and engaging messaging across your channels. Copy.ai also shines in personalization. You can tweak the tone of voice, ranging from professional to witty, to match your brand's identity. This is particularly useful for businesses aiming for unique on-brand messaging. However, this tool isn't just for businesses. Freelancers, students, and anyone needing quick, professional quality content will find it valuable. It handles repetitive writing tasks effortlessly, letting you focus on more creative or strategic work. A common question, can it replace a human writer? The answer is no. It's a tool, not a replacement. While Copy.ai produces excellent drafts, human oversight ensures they align perfectly with your needs. Overall, Copy.ai is ideal for anyone looking to streamline their content creation. It's affordable, easy to use, and packed with features that deliver results. Try it out today using the links in the description and see how it can transform your writing workflow.